Dear students, a charming and wonderful good afternoon to all of you. Do you remember what we learned in our first moral science class? Who remembers? In our first class, we learned about faith in God. Do you put faith in God always? Yes or no? Today's lesson is about wonders of meditation. Meditation can work miracles. We can get inner peace through meditation. We can get inner peace through meditation. Meditation also brings relaxation to our mind, body and soul. As we are living in a world of violence, anger, stress and anxiety, meditation is the only solution. As we are living in a world of violence, anger, stress and anxiety, meditation is the only solution. We shall now discuss about some benefits of meditation, some advantages of meditation. Are you ready? As I said, there are so many benefits of meditation. First, it reduces anger and anxiety. Second, it relaxes mind, body and soul. Third, it improves our concentration. Fourth, it makes us more creative. Fifth, it improves our memory. Sixth, it also improves our mental and physical health. Seventh, it increases our joy, happiness, compassion and love. And lastly, it develops our self-respect. So what are the benefits of meditation? It reduces anger and anxiety. It relaxes mind, body and soul. It improves our concentration. It makes us more creative. It improves our memory. It also improves our mental and physical health. It increases our joy, happiness, compassion and love. And lastly, it develops our self-respect. Students, today we see many children becoming violent, fighting, using abusive language and harming others. Is it good or bad? What is your opinion? Feel free to say. You have heard about Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. Who is Gandhiji? The father of the nation. How did he fight against Britishers? What method did he use? Who can say? Try? Yes, he used ahimsa. What is ahimsa? Ahimsa means non-violence. Is it clear to you? Okay. So, non-violent method is the best solution. Remember, those who do violence are losers and not gainers. They don't gain or achieve anything. That is why Gandhiji once said, if anybody slaps you on your left cheek, do not get angry. Smile and ask him to slap on your other cheek too. This attitude will help him to reduce his anger. Very, very inspiring words. Let's repeat. If anybody slaps you on your left cheek, do not get angry. Smile and ask him to slap on your other cheek too. So students, Meditation is the answer to all kinds of anger, hatred, and violent activities. That is why gods, goddesses, rishis, and saints practiced meditation. Even today, all kinds of people like doctors, healers, and common people follow meditation therapy. Meditation therapy is also practiced in all religions like Hinduism, Islam, Buddhism, Christianity, Sikhism, Jainism, etc. In Hinduism, meditation or dhyana is practiced in the form of devotion and love, repetition of mantra, etc. In Islam, a Muslim prays 5 times a day, meditating on Allah. In Buddhism, Lord Buddha attained enlightenment while meditating under a bodhi tree. In Christianity, meditation is done in the form of prayers to achieve inner peace. Sikhism practices meditation by focusing one's attention on the attributes of God. Jainism uses the word samayika for meditation. So students, it is through meditation that we can attain inner peace and control our anger. In the lesson, the writer has given a Buddhist story which tells us how to control anger. The name of the story is A Bag of Nails. The name of the story is A Bag of Nails. The story is about a boy called Rohan. He was bad-tempered and always remained unhappy. He asked his father to help him to get rid of his angry behavior. His father agreed to help him. He gave him a bag of nails and told him to hammer a nail in the fence whenever he lost his temper. On the first day, Rohan got angry 37 times and hammered 37 nails into the fence. Then his father asked him to practice meditation early morning. Gradually, he was hammering less number of nails. He was not getting angry like before. Then the boy realized that it was easier to control his anger instead of hammering nails into the fence. Finally, a day came when the boy did not get angry at all. His father was very happy. He told his son that his lesson was not over. The father told his son to do one more thing. Do you want to know what it is? Of course. He told him to pull out one nail each from the fence whenever he controlled his temper. Rohan obeyed and worked hard. In a few days, he succeeded in pulling out all the nails from the fence. The boy's father was extremely happy. He took him to the fence and showed him all the holes and scars in fence. The father told his son that the words said in anger leaves wounds on others, and these wounds never get healed. The words said in anger leaves wounds on others, and these wounds never get healed. Students, Very inspiring story, isn't it? You can also try the same. Practice meditation daily and regularly and make your life brighter, happier, and tension free.